Hey guys, today we are at 1302 Cotten Road, and this is in Greenville, North Carolina. We have a carport here over here, and as we head inside, there's tons of natural light in this house, guys. We have a beautiful fireplace. Mantle. This living room is huge and full of natural light. And this kitchen is beautiful. It's updated. As you can see, I love this backsplash. It looks so good with these granite countertops. We have stainless steel appliances in here, and these white cabinets are really nice. This chandelier is so cute. And out here we have like a little sunroom, and out back we have a porch and a fenced in backyard. We do have laundry, washer and dryer in here. We have the sinks dripping slowly just because of the really cold weather that we've had lately. We don't want any problems at any of our properties, so we're gonna do it ahead of time. So right here we have bedroom number 1. Like I said, guys, lots of natural light. This room is huge. Seems like the zoom is on my camera. Yeah, really huge, guys. All right. And as we go down the hallway, we have bedroom number 2. It's really bright in here, and all the blinds aren't even open. This green color is actually really pretty too. And then we have our first bathroom. It is updated, and look at this shower. It's a shower tub, and the tile is absolutely gorgeous. You have a removable, I don't know where my camera will go, a removable shower head. And we walk into our largest bedroom yet. And again, absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, thanks for taking the tour of 1302 Cotten Road, and we'll see you guys soon.